Are you the one who's scared of exercises or the yoga practices because of your heart health? You know, our daily habits is the key to ensure that we are keeping our heart healthy or we are restraining it. So today in this session, few asanas I'm going to practice which are super heart health friendly and can be practiced by anyone at the comfort of their own choice of place. So these are the asanas which helps in relaxing the heart, helps in expanding the chest muscles so the oxygen flow becomes better. They help in reducing the stress, and there are the asana, the few inversions. These asanas helps in naturally letting the blood flow towards the heart goes. So automatically the work of the heart get reduced. So let's begin now. All right. So first asana in this sequence is the Trikona asana triangle. For that, stretch your legs wide apart. Breathing in, stretch your arms sideways. And as you exhale, stretch your arm to down and look at your upper hand palm. This automatically reduces the stress and brings your mind to the center. It is very relaxing for the heart. Inhale, come up. And as you exhale, same stretch the other side. Breathe in and come back and relax. Now the second is Veerbhadrasana 1. Warrior pose 2. For this, take your foot outside, bend your knee to the 90 degrees, take a deep breath in and take your arms up. This helps in enhancing the chest muscles. You can breathe more oxygen, which is important for the heart, and come back. Third in the sequence is a Tadasana. Keep your legs together. Breathe in and take your arms up. Join your palms up together and stretch your arms full upward. It helps in opening up your spine, stretching your chest muscles, and calms the mind immediately. Hence, reduce anxiety and relax. Now, the fourth is the Ushtra Asana or the camel pose. Come down on your knees, breathe in, and slowly take both of your arms behind and stretch. This allows your chest muscles to open wide and full, letting your breath go deep. Hence, increased blood flow and a reduced heart rate. Relax and come back. Now, sit easily and comfortably in a Sukhasana. Breathe in, keep both of your palms on your knees. As you inhale, take your hip back. And breathing out fully, come down. And slowly, mindfully go for the body rotation. Breathing to the back half and breathe out to the front half. One more round. Breathing to the back half and out to the front. And the same way, go for the opposite direction. This asana calms the mind and bring you back to your center. Good for the heart. Breathe in and gently come back. And now, in the sequence, is the Ardha Matsyendra Asana. Bring your one foot close to your other side hip. Cross your other foot over the knee. Take your opposite palm and hold your ankle. And keeping your other arm behind your, around your spine and twist back. It will help in strengthening the spine, a gentle spinal twist. Activates the pancreas and good for the heart. Reduces anxiety, calms the mind's chatter, and relax. Next in the sequence is a Paschimottanasana. Stretching your arms front, breathing in, take you both of the arms up, and as you exhale, go down, take your head to the knee, and rest there. Just open your calf muscles to the full, allow the lymph fluid to get active, relax your chest muscles, and brings calm to the heart rate and relax. Next in the sequence is a Bhujangasana. Gently lie down on your abdomen, keeping your palms close to your shoulder and dropping your shoulders down, keeping your heels together. Lift your body up from the level. Keep your throat muscles open and look front. Helps in opening chest muscles to the full. Strengthen your helps in opening the chest muscles and also strengthen the chest muscles and relax. And from here, go for the downward facing dog, the Adho Mukha Svanasana. Lift your body up, take your heels behind, and take your head down. A gentle inversion which automatically allows the blood flow to go towards your heart, hence reducing the task of the heart, giving it more relaxed time. It reduces the heart rate. Very calming and peaceful for the heart. And from here, you can gently go down in a corpus pose or a shavasana, lying down straight, letting go of your whole body weight to the ground, keeping your legs apart, palms facing the sky, and relax there for a while, giving complete rest to the heart. So practice this sequence and comment below how was it for you. Thank you.